What's up, tech enthusiasts? Welcome back to All About AI Tech, the channel where we explore the cutting edge of artificial intelligence and how it's transforming our lives. Today, we're diving headfirst into the future of clean, robot vacuums are getting seriously smart, and I'm here to break down the game-changing features you need to know. Let's get right to it. CES 2024 was like a playground for tech lovers, and let me tell you, the robot vacuum game? It's about to explode. We saw some serious innovation this year, stuff that's going to make you want to ditch your old vacuum and never look back. Trust me, you're going to want to see this. Okay, let's be honest. How many of you have had a love-hate relationship with your robot vacuum? They're great in theory, but sometimes they end up stuck under the couch, tangled in cords, or just plain giving up in the middle of the room. The good news is, all those frustrations are about to be ancient history. The new generation of robot vacuums is here to banish cleaning nightmares for good. This isn't your grandpa's Roomba, guys. We're talking about robot vacuums powered by advanced AI that can literally outsmart dirt. Imagine a vacuum that doesn't just bump around randomly. It actually learns the layout of your home, identifies different surfaces, and even recognizes obstacles like pet toys or charging cables. This is the future, people, and it's happening now. One of the coolest examples of this AI in action is the Samsung bespoke JetBot Combo AI Plus. This thing is a beast. It doesn't just vacuum, it also mops, and it does it all with incredible intelligence. The AI allows it to actually detect stains on your floors and then tailor the cleaning power to blast those messes away. It's like having a tiny cleaning crew that knows exactly how to tackle any mess. Remember those days of coming home to find your robot vacuum hopelessly entangled in a stray sock or stuck on the edge of a rug? Yeah, those days are over. With advanced object recognition, these new vacuums can spot and avoid obstacles like a pro. That means less time babysitting your cleaning buddy and more time to relax and enjoy your spotless floors. Let's talk about mopping for a sec. Hybrid robot vacuums that can both vacuum and mop are a game changer, but dealing with dirty mop pads? Not so much. Even the top-of-the-line models have required manual intervention when it comes to cleaning the mops. Until now, that is. Get ready to have your minds blown, because some of the new robot vacuum models are coming out with built-in plumbing hookups. That's right. You can connect them directly to your water line. Imagine never having to refill a water tank or empty a dirty water tray again. This is next-level convenience, and it's going to revolutionize the way we think about home cleaning. Companies like SwitchBot are leading the charge with this technology, and let me tell you, it's impressive. These self-cleaning marvels take all the hassle out of mopping. The robot docks itself after cleaning, the mop is automatically cleaned and dried, and you're good to go. It's like having a personal maid for your floors. And here's another feature that's going to make you wonder how you ever lived without it: part health monitoring. These intelligent vacuums can now track the condition of their components and let you know when it's time to replace something. No more guessing games or surprise breakdowns. Your vacuum will tell you exactly what it needs, when it needs it. Imagine getting a notification on your phone that says, "Hey, it's time to replace your vacuum filter. Click here to order a new one." How cool is that? This is all about making your life easier and keeping your vacuum running at peak performance. It's like having a personal assistant for your cleaning needs. The bottom line is this: these advancements in robot vacuum technology are about more than just convenience. They're about delivering a level of cleaning performance that was previously unimaginable. We're talking about spotless floors, fresh-smelling carpets, and a whole lot less time and effort spent on keeping your home clean. The future of clean is here, and it's looking bright. Robot vacuums are no longer just a luxury, they're becoming an essential part of the modern smart home. With the power of AI, self-cleaning capabilities, and intuitive features, these cleaning companions are going to free up our time and energy so we can focus on the things that matter most. So, what do you guys think? Are you as excited about the future of robot vacuums as I am? Let me know in the comments below. And hey, if you enjoyed this deep dive into the world of AI-powered cleaning, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you don't miss out on any of the awesome content coming up on All About AI Tech. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.